Senhoras e senhores, vamos para mais um vídeo aqui do canal. Galera, estes são vídeos mostrando um pouco a plataforma. Não estou incentivando ninguém a colocar dinheiro. Suas entradas são acima de R$1.
I'm just joking. But thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate you saying that. So 3 lucky numbers. We get 8, 20, and 34. 100x in all 3. So we got 27 red there, a high number from 30,000. Congratulations, 591 winners. Dime Ben with a top winning. Well done. Keep it up. Betting time has started.
Vou com R$1. Não quero arriscar muito.
Party today. Let me join. I can join you. Well, to be honest, no parties for me. I already went to a club 2 days ago. No more bets. Good luck. And that's enough for me right now. You know, limit has been reached. One party in a year. I'm just joking. So lucky number 13, 31, 200x and 13 there. And the winning number is 27 red. That's a high number from 30,000. Congratulations, 600.
Acertei de primeira. Me engasguei com a saliva.
Well done. By the way, 2 rounds ago we got 200x multiplier. Hello, new players. Welcome. I'm really glad to see you here. Bada bing, bada boom. How are you doing today? I feel like I'm gonna be going mental soon. No more bets. Good luck to you. I'm going mental quite soon. 3 lucky numbers. We got 13, 16, and 33. 200x and 16. Chain lightning 6, 7, 18. Double strike on 6, 700x. So that is 31 black, a high number.
Mais uma vitória, galera.
Max with a top winning. Well done, Max. Betting 10. I'm still awake. Just want to say we'll catch you later for a better talk. Well, I already thought you just disappeared. It's gonna something here important. Oh, you got something important there? It's okay. It's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do. No more bets. Good luck to you. Let's see. This time we got 3 lucky numbers. That is 4, 17, 18, 200x and 17 there. Winning number is 31 black. That is a high number from section Northland. Star Dozen. Congratulations, 747 winners. FF with a top winning. Well done. Keep it
Vamos
up.
fazer as dobras.
But I will show up for sure again. You will? Really? Or you're gonna show up to tell me that you're gonna show up later? Well, it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? No more bets. Good luck. Let's see. In this one, we got 3 lucky numbers. That is 3, 5, and 16. 100x and 16. All red. Double strike and 5 with 1000x. And the winning number is 8 black. That's a low number. First dozen. Congratulations, 718 winners. 2 with a stone. Winning well done. Keep it up, Bennington. I keep always my promises.
Sou teimoso.
Okay?
Vou de novo no vermelho.
Go do your thing. All good. Everything is good. So welcome new players. Only way to get a lightning lucky numbers by placing straight bets, by the way. No more bets. Good luck. Let's see. This time, the lucky numbers, we got 3 of those. That's 8, 16, and 32. 200x and 8 there.
Pronto, o teimoso conseguiu. Galera, link fixado nos comentários.